Are you looking for a powerful yet portable chainsaw for your landscaping projects? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll review the top 5 mini chainsaws on the market, perfect for trimming branches, pruning trees, and tackling smaller jobs around your yard. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Let's find the perfect tool for your needs. Number 1. Stihl G TA26 Cordless Electric Pruning Chainsaw. Stihl, known for nearly 100 years of reliable outdoor tools, brings the same performance to the TA26 Pruner. This compact one-handed saw easily handles branches and small logs with surprising power. In tests by popular mechanics, it sliced through branches over 4 inches thick, something few mini chainsaws can manage. With an optional pole extension, it becomes a versatile pole saw for higher limbs. Though not a full chainsaw replacement, the TA26 is perfect for quick cuts and precise pruning. Its lightweight design and ease of use make it ideal for tasks that would be cumbersome with larger tools. Whether you're trimming shrubs, clearing small branches, or doing touch-ups around the yard, the TA26 offers power and control in a compact package. Number 2. Worx WG322 Cordless 20-volt 10-inch cordless mini chainsaw. Despite its low price, the Worx WG322 delivers impressive performance as a two-handed mini chainsaw. While it features a brushed motor, which lacks the durability and efficiency of pricier brushless models, the 10-inch bar and 20-volt motor are capable of tackling significant pruning and trimming jobs. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, the WG322 is easy to maneuver, even for overhead cuts. Though it's not ideal for heavy-duty or frequent use, it's a reliable option for homeowners with occasional landscaping needs. If you need a lightweight, budget-friendly saw for occasional pruning or tree maintenance, this one offers great value. Number 3. Greenworks 24-volt 6-inch cordless brushless pruner saw. Lightweight yet powerful, the Greenworks 6-inch saw handles light-duty pruning with ease. Its 24-volt battery delivers more torque and cutting power than many 20-volt models, ensuring faster, more efficient cuts. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for awkward angles and hard-to-reach branches. If your main tasks involve trimming small branches on trees and hedges, this saw is an affordable and reliable option. Number 4. DeWalt DCCS 620 B20-volt Max XR Compact 12-inch Cordless Chainsaw. Calling a 12-inch chainsaw mini is a stretch. But the DeWalt DCCS 620B is a powerful compact tool capable of tougher jobs like cutting fallen tree branches or handling light demolition work. It runs on DeWalt's 20-volt FlexVolt battery series, with options up to 12 amp-hours, sold separately, for extended use, far surpassing the 2 amp-hour cells typical of smaller saws. Its brushless motor improves efficiency, delivering more power and longer runtime. The saw includes useful safety features like a chain brake to prevent kickback and a wraparound handle for secure, comfortable grip adjustments. Note that it's often sold as a bare tool without a battery or charger, making it ideal for those already using DeWalt's 20-volt system. If you need more than basic pruning, this saw's extra power makes it worth the investment. Number 5. Milwaukee M 18 Fuel Hatchet 8-inch Mini Pruning Saw. Raw power is great, but if you have a large yard with lots of trees and hedges, runtime becomes just as important. Part of Milwaukee's M18 fuel line, the 8-inch Hatchet supports batteries up to 12 amp-hours, giving you the capacity to tackle extensive tasks without frequent recharges. Though its 18-volt motor isn't the most powerful, it offers practical features like metal bucking spikes, which stabilize logs and branches during cuts, a rare bonus in mini chainsaws. This model is sold without a battery, so if you already own Milwaukee M18 tools, you're in luck. Otherwise, purchasing a battery separately can get pricey. 12 amp-hour models with chargers often exceed $200. Watch for deals during Black Friday or Prime Day to save. The M18 Fuel Hatchet is pricey, but it stands out with top-tier performance and features that few others offer. So, which mini chainsaw reigns supreme? After careful consideration, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hatchet takes the crown. Its powerful motor, compact design, and durability make it the ideal choice for both professionals and DIYers. Whether you're a seasoned landscaper or just looking to keep your yard in shape, The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hatchet is a must-have tool.